For my second example, I would like to show you how to go from a condensed formula into drawing out a bond line structure. And as you can see here, this example is different from our previous example in that we have substituent groups attached. As you can see here, we have two bromine groups attached to this carbon. And this works in a similar format as this carbon right here, except we draw out the two bromines on that carbon. And as you can see here, we have a methyl group in parentheses. This just means that this methyl group is attached to this carbon, as well as this one. We have this carbon and this carbon attached to this carbon right here. So now let's try to draw out our bond line structure. Once you sit down your pen, it means we have drawn out the first carbon. Once you start moving, we have our second, our third, our fourth, and remember we skipped this substituent right here, and we have our fifth carbon. So now we have this carbon backbone drawn, but on this third carbon, you see we have two bromines. So we will draw them right here, making sure that they're in the correct orientation, sp3 hybridized. And right here, we will draw our methyl group since it's on the fourth carbon, right here. As you can see, even though we haven't drawn it, we still have a hydrogen group right here. See, looking at our condensed formula, and this is our two methyl groups, which is these two right here, our two methyl groups. And that concludes our second example of how to draw bond line structures.